Hello everyone, I want to welcome you here once again at Car Connection in Little Ferry, New Jersey, and today we're featuring this absolutely beautiful 2010 Ford F250 6.4 turbo diesel, very clean, one owner, no accidents. It is the Lariat edition with the FX4 off-road options. Let's go through it. Very, very nice, very, very clean. It does have these Ironman tires all around. I think they're all county Ironman with very good tread. Okay, you look along the side of the vehicle, you see it's clean, it's straight, it's not wavy, it's super straight on the paint, no chips, no dings, it's absolutely amazing. You go all the way across the vehicle, you'll see also there's no damage on this vehicle in the front. If you look at the hood, also super clean. Look at the windshield, there's no chips, no cracks. It's as clean as they get. If you look along the driver's side, again, look how straight it is. No wavy paint, no dings, no dents. This is, again, a one owner, clean auto check, no accidents reported. See, we got the Lariat Super Duty. Look along the side. We pull, even the running boards in very good condition, all the way across the back. Rear bumper, tailgate. It does have a cover. We have it down so we can show the back of the vehicle. Here are the rails for the cover. We're going to put them down for now. It does have a liner. A lot of these trucks do come equipped with the fifth wheel. Rear bumper is excellent condition. It does have backup sensors. It does have a backup camera that's on the rear view mirror. I'll show you when we get inside. Here's the side of the vehicle again, super clean. Here's your passenger side rear tire, excellent condition. Look at the frame. Frame is in very good shape. We pull along the side of the vehicle and back to the front. Very good condition. Here's your driver's side front tire and rim. Again, if you look at the frame, super condition. And here's your driver's side rear tire and rim. All right. If you look underneath, look at that frame. That frame is as clean as they come. All the way across on both sides. Look at the front end. Very, very nice vehicle. Here's the driver's side rear door panel. Here's the driver's side seat. There's a little shadow going on, but you can refer to the pictures for the actual specifics. Here's your passenger side rear door panel. Seat comes up, and here's your cargo tray. If you want to add stuff, make the back seats up with the cargo. Back of the seats are in good condition. Here's your front driver's side door panel. Here's your driver's side seat, middle passenger seat. And here's your passenger side door panel. This does come down, functions as it should. This pops up. I even have this thing for it, which I'll put in here. Very nice, very beautiful vehicle. It does have weather techs all around, front and the back. Start her up. No check engine lights on. This vehicle does have 174,000 miles. Radio does work. It does come with a Pioneer. Show you the backup camera that's on the rear view mirror. 174,000 miles. Left directional, right directional, horn, steering is good. Driver's side front window, driver's side rear, passenger side front, passenger side rear. Very nice truck. Heat, AC, everything works on this vehicle. It's already been checked out. This vehicle runs phenomenal. It does have a floor 4x4 shifter. Okay, as you can see here, the 4x4 light just came on, just went off. I took it off. It does work in 4x4 low. It's a very, very nice truck. Pop the hood. Here's your engine compartment. Very clean. Engine sounds good. Truck has plenty of power. Rides great on the highway. Just a very, very clean truck. This truck is ready to go. We did the rear brakes on it. This truck needs nothing, just needs a driver. Once again, we got a 2014 F250 turbo diesel Super Duty Lariat FX4 edition. Give us a call, 201-440-1323. If you want to view more pics of this truck and this video, you can view them right there at www.carconnectiononline.com. When you get to our site, if it's not this vehicle of your choice, pick a vehicle, click the pick, it'll bring you to the specifics. You'll have a photos tab, where it brings you to the photos, video tab, that brings you to the video. You'll also have an auto check, which gives you a free VIN check, and then you have a tab that says apply online. You can apply directly online. If you have any questions regarding our finance options, please call us at 201-440-1323. Last but not least, we offer warranties on all our vehicles, including our motorcycles. Everyone stay safe, stay warm. Thanks for viewing this video.